Welcome back to my channel, guys. Dre, the Forex King, back at you with another one, man. I'm excited today. I'm going to get right into it. Listen, major win, major win. This is huge today, and it feels good. As you can see, today I made $71 worth of profit. That's major. Why? My first video was a losing video. Of course, I don't want to put up losing videos. I want to show support, and I want to show that I kind of know what I'm doing. Got to stay humble, got to stay patient. But man, this is exciting, man. So definitely want to jump on with the energy. I'm pretty much done for the day. Clearly, the day's still going. Clearly, the market's moving. So clearly, this is a live account. As you can see by the balance below, it's 274. I think my first video I lost like $43. So I pretty much doubled what I lost on Monday. If you remember my first video, yesterday, I wasn't gonna trade. That's why I recorded my video yesterday about Monday. I knew I wasn't going to trade just because of how the market was looking. I was like, I don't want to waste my time with it. And if you remember the first video, these were my first couple levels. So basically, this is what was happening. Clearly, I looked on the daily. I saw that it was a bullish day. So I was just prepared and looking for some good entry points for me. So the main thing I want to emphasize, man, trust yourself. Know your levels. My strategy is not a fancy strategy. I don't use a lot of indicators. I don't use stop loss. I don't use take profit. I just trade from support and resistance. So I try to find the best levels possible. And then based on my bias, based on what's going on, I go in and trade. That's basically what I do. I'm not simple. I know a lot of you guys, your technical strategies are much more advanced and sophisticated than me, I should say. And that's cool. Do what works for you. But I just want to show that, man, again, this is just about my journey to my first milestone of getting to $5,000 trading on the US30, and I'm damn determined to get there. So the next thing is, man, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, man. Take what the market gives you, because the market is the market, and the market does not care about you one bit. All right. So when I was trading today, I clearly, after all of the consolidation, you saw where the market opened up here, right? And for those of you who are experienced, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. The US30 always has a habit of, especially if there's a gap, it always retests that area of a gap during the open or close for the previous day. Not a major open or close, not a major gap from yesterday to today, which is cool. But because of all the consolidation, I was expecting a move. So this was obviously in the morning during the London session. I saw this, but I wanted some more confirmation. So when I saw this particular level, when I saw this obviously bullish move, that excited me. So I was just waiting for an opportunity. But then I saw this bearish kind of said, okay, let me wait for the retest because I don't trust what's going on. So that's what happened. So I actually got in on this candle right here. You see where the red arrow is. I got on that candle. But then I saw that, if you see right here, that it went up and I was excited, but then during the session, because this is the 5-minute session, it pulled back. And when I saw that pullback, I said, this don't make any sense. So like, all right, clearly it's losing momentum. So I took the little money. So I'd rather take little than not take nothing at all. And that's the biggest thing. Again, when it comes to the account size, it kind of does get discouraging. That's a battle that I'm trying to get through. Because when you see $1.53, that was the first trade when I told you pull back on me. I was like, man, let me just take that. I'd rather be in profit than lose money. And I hate losing money. And I know you can only do so much, but I don't want to lose no money. So I took the $1.53 and I said, all right, I'm content with that. And then it pulled back, saw this level. And then when it saw this level, I wasn't convinced yet. So I waited for this particular candle right here. So when I saw this, kind of said, all right, let me jump in. I jumped in, but then the market is the market. I'm like, man, can I get a good run here? Nope. Bears came in and I saw it and I saw this and I was like, it's struggling. But one of the things that really cautioned me was because I'm looking at what they're doing and I saw this previous high. It didn't cross that high. So I saw this high. It didn't even close past that high. So now it created a lower high. And you know, once you create a lower high, it could be on a downtrend. And that's exactly what happened. The next session, it was a bear. And because I'm scalping and because you know that US30 is so volatile, I got out. And then I waited for a minute and I saw this bullish candle. I was tempted and I want the money because obviously I want more money than $1.53. But then I saw that even then, this bullish candle was still a lower high because it closed below the wick. But if you pay attention, it closed below the level and closed below the previous high. So that still technically is a lower high. So I don't trust it. I don't like what's going on. So I waited out a little bit. Then I got it on this candle right here. Boom, right here. Said boom. All right, now we're talking. Now we're talking. But because I saw this pullback, I was scared and I jumped out because against the US30. And then I saw this candle and then I saw it going aside. Let me try it again. I jumped in again. And I said, all right, now I'm at a point where I'm trying not to be too greedy now, just because I'm seeing it slow down. And again, it's all mentality. Again, because of the dollar amounts, you get discouraged. So you have to pay attention to not be greedy. And when you see all these, like these 20, 30, 40, $50,000 testimonies, honestly, they're getting the same amount of pips. They're getting the same 40, 50, 60 pips. They're just at a higher lot size. So the goal is to not really worry about the money now. Just be consistent. As you grow your account, as you increase your lot size, then you're going to see major increases in profits. So allow your account to compound. I understand those principles, but I'm human. I'm determined. I want to get to this 5K quick, fast, in a hurry. It is what it is. So that's also part of my psychology, and that's why I'm trying not to get too caught up in the dollar amounts. I'm just trying to be consistent. Just keep growing the account consistently. I know my next level. I know my milestone to when I'm going to increase the lot to 0.2. And I'm just trying to get there as fast as possible. But again, I still have to take what the market gives me. So lastly, I'm putting green just because these are just winning trades for me. And you see the hour of the candles I was getting in. And then I saw this level and said, okay, I already knew that because of the momentum, I knew that it was slowing down, which is why I was very, very, very hesitant on jumping in and jumping out, because I didn't want to be greedy and I don't want to lose, to be honest, because I know I was going to record a video. So I was very hesitant. I said, all right, let me not be greedy. I jumped into this candle quickly. I think that last one, I made like a quick $1. And I said, all right, let me stop playing. Let me get out, because this thing could drop on me. And it went up a little bit during the session and then absolutely tanked. I said, praise God, I paid attention and just listened to myself, which is one of my earlier points. Trust yourself, man. Forget about what's going on. Your instincts is usually very, very accurate, regardless of what you think is going on. Forget your emotions. Trust your instincts, but most importantly, trust what the market is telling you. So I recognized this level. I knew it was going to drop down. Honestly, because of my emotion, because of the positive momentum, because of the positive mindset I had, I said, all right, let me ride it down too. And that's exactly what I did. As you can see, I jumped into 2 more sales, $12 and $24. Man, that's major for me. So overall, 71 pips for the day. 71 pips on the US30 is absolutely phenomenal, in my opinion. Again, you increase your lot size. This could easily turn into $1,000, $1,500, depending on how high your lot is. You put a $10 or $50 lot, then you can just think about it. So I'm excited, man. I definitely want to post this video to show that I have some type of competence when it comes to trading. So I definitely want to show that I know what I'm doing. As you can see, the market is still moving. I'm not getting to the market again just because of the day and the time. But even though it's the New York session, 1 o'clock, this is when momentum of the day typically slows down. You guys can see this. If you see it and you want to jump in, well, that's fine if you're currently watching the market. But me, I'm done for the day. I'm going to take the win, take the 71 pips, take the positive momentum, then just analyze the charts again tomorrow. If I get tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I don't know if there's going to be any opportunities. But again, I don't want to belabor this video any much longer. But I definitely want to show you guys it's possible. Show you that I have some type of competence for trading. But man, get excited, man. I'm excited for the next step, the next trade. And I'm just looking to keep the momentum going. So again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch my video, to follow my journey. You have a phenomenal day. If you don't speak, happy Thanksgiving for you guys, and enjoy the time with your family. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.